Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of personal finance with a twist. In this video, we'll explore 5 unexpected ways to make your money work for you. If you're tired of the same old advice and looking for unconventional strategies to boost your financial well-being, you're in the right place. Our goal is to challenge traditional notions of money management and introduce you to innovative approaches that can help you maximize your wealth. By the end of this video, you can expect to walk away with actionable insights that will empower you to take control of your finances in a whole new way. Listen to this story. In a small town nestled between rolling hills and a shimmering river, lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was known for his curious mind and imaginative spirit. While other children spent their days playing games and following the same routines, Leo constantly sought new ways to see the world around him. One warm summer day, the town was abuzz with excitement about the annual kite festival. Every year, townspeople gathered in the open fields to fly their colorful kites, competing to see whose kite could soar the highest. It was a tradition that everyone cherished. Leo, however, saw the festival as an opportunity to think differently. Instead of merely crafting a kite that would fly the highest, he wanted to create something that would capture the essence of the sky itself. He spent days sketching designs and experimenting with materials, often drawing curious glances from his friends and family. Finally, Leo unveiled his creation, a kite unlike any other. It was shaped like a large, transparent bubble, with intricate patterns painted on its surface that reflected the sunlight in dazzling colors. Inside the bubble, he had placed small mirrors and prisms that would catch and scatter light in all directions. On the day of the festival, as everyone else prepared their traditional kites, Leo carefully unfolded his bubble kite. The townspeople gathered around, puzzled and intrigued by his unique creation. Some whispered doubts, thinking it would never fly, but Leo remained confident and focused. When it was his turn, Leo took a deep breath and released his bubble kite into the air. At first, it wobbled uncertainly, but then, as the wind caught it, the kite began to ascend gracefully. The sun's rays hit the mirrors and prisms, creating a mesmerizing display of colors that danced across the sky. The townspeople watched in awe as the bubble kite floated higher and higher, painting the sky with a rainbow of light. The judges, captivated by the beauty and originality of Leo's kite, awarded him the grand prize. But more importantly, Leo's creation had sparked a new way of thinking among the townspeople. They realized that innovation and creativity could bring magic to even the most time-honored traditions. From that day on, the kite festival became a celebration of not just how high a kite could fly, but of how it could transform the sky with imagination and ingenuity. Leo's story spread far and wide, inspiring others to think differently and embrace their unique perspectives, reminding everyone that the world is full of possibilities waiting to be discovered. It's easy to get stuck in a rut when it comes to managing your money. But by thinking outside the box and embracing unconventional tactics, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and financial success. We believe that by shifting your perspective and being open to new ideas, you can truly make your money work harder for you. Get ready to discover fresh and practical financial wisdom that you won't find in your typical finance books or seminars. We're here to shake things up and challenge the status quo, offering you insights that will inspire you to rethink how you approach your finances. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn 5 unexpected ways to supercharge your money management skills. Strategy 1. Leveraging alternative investments. Alternative investments offer a unique opportunity to diversify your portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds, potentially unlocking higher returns and reducing overall risk. In this segment, we'll delve into the world of alternative investments, exploring examples like cryptocurrency, peer-to-peer lending, and real estate crowdfunding. Cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, has gained significant attention in recent years as a high-risk, high-reward investment option. While the volatility of the crypto market can be daunting, savvy investors have reaped substantial profits by strategically navigating this digital landscape. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow individuals to lend money directly to borrowers, cutting out traditional financial institutions. This alternative investment can provide attractive returns, but it's essential to carefully assess the creditworthiness of borrowers and diversify your lending across multiple loans to mitigate risk. Real estate crowdfunding platforms such as Fundrise or Realty Mogul enable investors to pool their resources to invest in commercial or residential properties. This option offers the potential for passive income and capital appreciation, but investors should be aware of the illiquidity of real estate investments and conduct thorough due diligence before committing funds. When considering alternative investments, it's crucial to weigh the risks and rewards associated with each option carefully. While these investments can offer lucrative returns, they also come with higher levels of volatility and less liquidity than traditional assets. To navigate this landscape successfully, research each investment thoroughly, diversify your portfolio, and consult with financial professionals to ensure you're making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Strategy 2. Embracing the gig economy. In today's digital age, the gig economy offers a plethora of opportunities for individuals to supplement their income, pursue their passions, and create new financial avenues. In this segment, we'll explore how participating in the gig economy can empower you to take control of your financial future. Popular gig economy platforms like TaskRabbit, Upwork, and Airbnb have revolutionized the way people work and earn money. TaskRabbit connects individuals with local tasks and errands, while Upwork provides a platform for freelancers to offer their skills and services to a global audience. Airbnb allows homeowners to rent out their properties to travelers, generating additional income through short-term rentals. Countless success stories abound of individuals who have effectively leveraged gig work to achieve financial growth and independence. From freelance writers who have turned their passion for writing into a lucrative career to Airbnb hosts who have transformed their spare rooms into profitable accommodations. The gig economy offers endless possibilities for those willing to seize them. Balancing traditional employment with gig work can be a strategic way to maximize your earning potential and diversify your income streams. By leveraging the flexibility of gig work to supplement your primary income, you can build a more resilient financial foundation and pursue opportunities that align with your interests and goals. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash, explore a new career path, or simply enjoy the freedom and flexibility that gig work offers, embracing the gig economy can open doors to a world of financial possibilities. So why wait? Dive into the gig economy today and start creating new opportunities for financial growth and success. Strategy 3. Implementing micro-investing techniques. Micro-investing is a revolutionary approach to saving and growing your money incrementally over time, making investing accessible to individuals of all income levels. In this segment, we'll explore how micro-investing can help you kickstart your investment journey and build wealth gradually. Micro-investing apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood have democratized investing by allowing users to invest small amounts of money, often as little as spare change from everyday purchases. These apps make it easy to set up automatic transfers or round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the difference in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or ETFs. The concept of rounding up purchases to invest spare change is a game changer for those looking to grow their wealth without breaking the bank. By harnessing the power of micro-investing, you can effortlessly accumulate savings over time, leveraging even the smallest amounts to generate significant returns in the long run. Setting achievable micro-investing goals is key to staying on track and maximizing the benefits of this investment strategy. Start by determining how much you can comfortably afford to invest on a regular basis, whether it's a set dollar amount or a percentage of your income. Establishing specific goals, such as saving for a vacation, emergency fund, or retirement, can provide motivation and direction as you embark on your micro-investing journey. By embracing micro-investing techniques and leveraging innovative apps and strategies, you can take control of your financial future and watch your money grow, one small investment at a time. So why not start today and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow through the power of micro-investing? Strategy 4. Maximizing credit card rewards. Credit card rewards programs offer a wealth of opportunities to earn cashback, travel points, and other valuable benefits simply by using your credit card for everyday purchases. In this segment, we'll delve into the world of maximizing credit card rewards and uncover how you can leverage these programs to your advantage. Different types of credit card rewards programs exist, each with its own set of advantages and perks. Cashback cards provide a percentage of your purchases back in cash, while travel rewards cards offer points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and more. Other benefits may include sign-up bonuses, statement credits, and exclusive access to events or experiences. To optimize your credit card rewards without accruing debt, it's essential to develop a strategic spending plan. Focus on using your credit card for purchases you would make anyway, such as groceries, gas, or bills, and avoid overspending to chase rewards. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and fees that can negate the value of your rewards. While credit card rewards can be lucrative, it's crucial to be mindful of common pitfalls that can derail your financial goals. High interest rates on credit card balances can quickly erode any rewards earned, so it's important to prioritize paying off your balance to avoid accruing debt. Additionally, resist the temptation to overspend or make unnecessary purchases just to earn rewards, as this can lead to financial instability and debt. By understanding the ins and outs of credit card rewards programs, optimizing your spending habits, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can harness the full potential of credit card rewards to enhance your financial well-being and enjoy the perks and benefits that come with smart credit card usage. Strategy 5. Building passive income streams. Passive income streams offer a path to financial freedom by generating income that continues to flow even when you're not actively working. In this segment, we'll explore various ways to build passive income streams that can work for you, allowing you to create a more secure financial future. Passive income sources come in many forms, including rental properties, dividend stocks, and online businesses. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of income through rental payments, while dividend stocks pay out regular dividends to shareholders. Online businesses such as e-commerce stores or affiliate marketing websites can generate passive income through automated sales and advertising revenue. Starting small and scaling passive income ventures over time is a key strategy for building sustainable income streams. Begin by investing in one passive income source, such as a rental property or dividend-paying stock, and gradually expand your portfolio as you gain experience and confidence. By reinvesting your earnings and diversifying your investments, you can grow your passive income streams and increase your financial stability. Diversifying passive income sources is essential for creating a resilient income stream that can withstand market fluctuations and economic downturns. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries, you can reduce risk and ensure a more stable income flow. Whether it's through real estate, stocks, bonds, or online businesses, diversification is key to building a robust passive income portfolio. By exploring a variety of passive income sources, starting small and scaling your ventures, and diversifying your investments, you can create a sustainable income stream that works for you, even when you're not actively involved. Take the first step towards financial independence by building passive income streams that pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. In this video, we've explored 5 unexpected ways to make your money work for you. From leveraging alternative investments to embracing the gig economy, implementing micro-investing techniques, maximizing credit card rewards, and building passive income streams. Let's recap the key points discussed and empower you to take action towards financial empowerment. First, thinking creatively about financial strategies can open doors to new opportunities and help you maximize your wealth. By embracing unconventional tactics and exploring innovative approaches, you can unlock the potential for growth and financial success. We've highlighted the importance of diversifying your income streams and investing in a variety of assets to build a resilient financial foundation. Whether it's through alternative investments, gig work, micro-investing, credit card rewards, or passive income ventures, there are countless ways to make your money work harder for you. Now, it's time to take the next step towards financial empowerment. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and strategies on managing your finances like this video. Share it with your friends and family and hit the like button if you found the information valuable. Explore our other videos to deepen your financial wisdom and continue your journey towards a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, the power to shape your financial destiny is in your hands. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video and staying committed to your financial goals, you can pave the way for a brighter and more prosperous tomorrow. Start today and watch as your money works for you in ways you never thought possible.